Work at Height and Rescue Course. This course covers the essential knowledge and skills for safely working at heights, including risk assessment, fall protection equipment, and rescue procedures. Participants will learn how to identify and mitigate hazards, select and use the proper gear, and implement effective rescue plans. Course Overview 1. Comprehensive Program. The course trains workers to rescue colleagues in emergencies, hazard identification, equipment usage and rescue techniques at height. 2. Target Audience. The Work at Height and Rescue course is essential for those working at elevated locations or involved in rescue operations. It is also valuable for safety officers and managers. 3. Accreditations. Conducted in accordance with OSHA 1926, Subpart OSHA Occupational Safety and Health Administration Guidelines. Risk Assessment and Hazard Identification. Site Inspection. Thoroughly examine the work area to identify potential fall and overhead hazards. Equipment Evaluation. Assess the condition and suitability of all work at height equipment and systems. Environmental factors. Consider weather, lighting, and other environmental conditions that could impact safety. Fall prevention and protection. Guardrails. Provide a physical barrier to prevent falls from elevated work surfaces. Anchor points. Secure locations where fall arrest systems can be attached. Lanyards and lifelines. Connect workers to anchor points, allowing mobility while providing fall protection. Personal protective equipment PPE for working at height. Harnesses. Full-body harnesses distribute fall forces evenly and prevent injury. Helmets. Protect the head from falling objects and impact during a fall. Gloves. Provide grip and dexterity for handling equipment and tools. Boots. Offer ankle support and slip-resistant soles for safe movement. Safety systems. Harness donning. Properly put on and adjust a full-body safety harness. Knot tying. Learn essential knots to securely attach lanyards and lifelines. Anchor selection. Identify and utilize suitable anchor points for fall protection. Pre-check and inspections. Visual inspection. Carefully examine equipment for signs of wear, damage, or defects. Functional testing. Verify that all components are working properly and in good condition. Record keeping. Document inspection results and maintain equipment maintenance logs. Rescue planning and procedures. Assess the situation, evaluate the incident, identify hazards, and determine the best rescue method. Initiate rescue. Safely retrieve the worker using appropriate equipment and techniques. Provide first aid. Administer emergency medical care, including for suspension trauma. Suspension trauma care and first aid. Signs of suspension trauma. Pale skin, rapid pulse, dizziness, nausea and loss of consciousness. First aid procedures. Quickly rescue the worker, loosen harness, elevate legs and administer oxygen. Aftercare. Monitor vital signs, provide hydration, transport to medical facility. Course curriculum. Introduction to working at heights. Risk assessment and hazard identification. Fall protection system, personal protective equipment PPE. Use of harness and other equipment, knots and anchors, effort reduction system. Pre-check and inspection safe work procedure and practices. Suspension trauma care and first aid. Emergency preparedness, rescue plan and procedure. Communication and coordination, case studies and lessons learned. Practical exercises and simulations. Contact us for more information. You can call us, email us or go through our website, and visit us at this address.